A tan suit is your secret weapon to looking polished in the heat. Let's dive into when to wear one and how to style it. First, when can you wear a tan suit? They have a relaxed, summery vibe perfect for warm weather weddings or smart casual work and social events. Next, what shirt should you wear? A white dress shirt always looks sharp. Or try light blue for a flattering alternative. A black t-shirt offers a casual, modern vibe. Or experiment. Tan is a neutral that works with most colors. Next, what shoes should you wear? For a casual look, try white dress sneakers. Or for a more formal look, try brown leather dress shoes. Next, should you wear a tie? Tan suits are often associated with casual, tieless styles. However, for weddings or more formal occasions, a tie can instantly elevate the look. So, the big question, should you buy a tan suit? After you have a navy or charcoal suit, which is more versatile, a tan suit is an excellent choice, especially in warm climates. What are your thoughts on tan suits? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.